Today we're going to take a look at the open-close technique, and that involves, rather than a down strike and then a bend in the wrist and lifting it up like the previous lesson, this actually involves striking the drum, opening the bottom 3 fingers whilst maintaining the grip with the fulcrum on your index finger. So you're going to hit it, open those 3 fingers so they stick. You want the stick to point in the air, and then you use these fingers that are sticking out to pull back down. So open the hand, pull, open, close. This movement is very effective on the ride cymbal. Now, you'd be more in a French grip for this. If you're opening and closing those fingers,